Have you ever got off your phone and just kind of felt like the side of your head hurt a little bit, but something was going on right there? And I was told just switch to the other side, but what am I doing? I'm just affecting the other side. So I got an EMF shield, 24K gold, anti-radiation protection. I have it on my phone. I also have it on my computer. Those are the two major devices that I sit on. And I have definitely noticed a difference in me. I sleep a lot better at night. I don't feel, wired and wide awake anymore.
We all know that it's no secret that we all use our phones and electronics probably a little too much. This negative ion sticker and EMF shield can neutralize up to 99% of your phone's EMF radiation. Best part is it doesn't interfere with your phone's reception at all. I absolutely love this because it's a small, easy way to protect yourself and your family. Installation is a breeze, and again, it doesn't affect your reception on your cell at all.